Change Buy It Now button text in Shopify. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Shopify and you'll find online store below sales channel. Then scroll all the way down till you find three dot. Click on three dot, then click on edit code. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on filter files, then search theme liquid. Click on theme liquid. Scroll all the way down, click on anywhere, then click on CTRL plus find, and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Write /head, then click on next. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Then go to pastebin.com and copy the code. After you copy the code, go to Shopify again. Go to script and enter. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Paste the code. Then hit that like button. Keep anything you want. I'll write get it now. Click on next and save it. Exit the place and you're good to go. Search any product instead of buy it now button, it will show get it now. That's how you change buy it now button text in Shopify. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.